Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. In today's video, I'm super excited because we have a new product launch from The Ordinary. This is their new multi-active delivery essence, which the brand claims is going to help aid the penetration rate of the rest of your skincare products, giving us a little extra bang for our buck from our skincare routine, whilst also doubling up as a hydrating and plumping toner. That sounds like music to my ears because I'm all about working smarter, not necessarily harder with skincare. If there's something we can do to increase the value we get from our existing routine, I'm all for it. And so this product definitely piqued my interest. We're going to talk about it all in today's video, how it performed, what it can and can't do for our skin, and ultimately whether it's worthy of a place in our skincare routines. Sit back, relax, let's talk the new The Ordinary Delivery Essence. Now, before we get into today's video, I do want to ask you guys what your honest thoughts, feelings, and opinions are when it comes to this one. I feel that the new essence from The Ordinary is going to be a little bit of an unsung hero. It's maybe not as sexy sounding or as glamorous as some of their other recent launches, so I worry that it might get forgotten about. However, I've been genuinely impressed, and I'm going to come on to my thoughts and opinions later on in the video, but I want to know yours. Are you keen to buy it, try it, and give it a go? If you are, let me know by leaving the heart emoji down in the comments section below. If you're someone that thinks, no, this is a pass for me, I just don't need it, that's equally as valid and I still want to hear from you, let me know by leaving the cross emoji again down in the description box below. Today we're going to talk about this product specifically, but just know that this is entirely sponsorship and paid partnership free. The Ordinary are doing some paid partnerships with certain content creators, but that's not something you will ever see here on Mad About Skin. I always turn down that coin because I feel by doing so, it helps me to retain my independence. So if you want to support me as a sponsorship-free independent content creator, the best way of doing that is by reaching down and giving the video a big thumbs up and a like. It really does support me so much. So again, from the bottom of my heart, love to each and every one of you. Now, without further ado, let's cut that waffle and delve straight on in. So, The Ordinary Multi-Active Delivery Essence. This is certainly something new for the brand. They've never had an essence before, and it launches globally on the 25th of February. Here in the UK, it retails at £10.99, which, when you look at the amount of product you get, I think is a really good price point. I was actually quite shocked when I saw that price. I thought, I expected it to be more. So, I love the fact that they're bringing it at £10.99, which I think is really great value when you look at the formulation and the quantity that you're getting. Of course, there will be a different price point depending where in the world you live, and I've left links down in the description box below to where you can purchase this no matter where you are in the world. So use those links if you want to check out the price point, read the ingredients in more detail, or some of the reviews that are emerging. But yeah, price point already on point if you ask me, and it's the claims that the brand make about this product that really got me interested. They say that it's going to help increase the penetration of your existing skincare routine, getting you a little extra bang for your buck from products that you already use. Music to my ears, because I'm all about, like I said earlier, working smarter, not necessarily harder. It's not about the total number of products that you have in a routine, but rather how you use them, how you layer and pair them. And if you can slot in an affordable product like this to your routine and get some extra benefit from the rest of your routine, that, like I say, is music to my ears. And honestly, I've been really impressed with the results. I'll come on to my own experiences later on, but this has a very simplistic ingredient profile. Very few ingredients, though, that actually focus down on quality over quantity. So you can see that each of the ingredients chosen has a benefit. You've got glycerin in here, which is one of the best hydrating and plumping ingredients on the market. It's actually my favorite humectant. Glycerin draws in and retains moisture within itself, so it locks in hydration, plumps itself out, so it can give a really immediate glow up to the skin, minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So yeah, glycerin, an unsung hero and one of the best hydrators around. You've also got some other ingredients in here which are going to soften the skin. So if you're looking for a toner or an essence to soften, to smooth, again, this is going to deliver. And it's got two key ingredients which have very long scientific names, but don't worry, I've listed them down in the description box below with a little bit of a blurb about what exactly they do. If you want to nerd out, the information is down there in the description box. And this is where I think it really becomes an innovative essence, something different to what we see on the market. Now, I've always advocated for the use of serums on damp skin. You know, it's a well-studied fact that products absorb better when applied to damp skin, and this is kind of that philosophy, but with just some added ingredients to aid that further. It's going to plump, hydrate, and nourish, but also provide a great base for the rest of your skincare routine. Now, The Ordinary reached out and asked if I wanted to try a sample of this prior to launch. Of course, I snapped their hand off and said, yes, I would love to. Tried it, and it genuinely is a beautiful product. I would say though, where this works best is if you use it in place of your existing hydrating toner. Most of us will have a toner somewhere in our skincare routine that we use to hydrate, nourish, and plump. If you discard your existing one, use this instead. You'll get all of those benefits, and you'll also get some additional benefits in terms of increasing the efficacy of the rest of your routine. That's what I mean by saying working smarter, not harder. This for me shouldn't be something that you add into your routine, but rather swap out an existing toner for, because it delivers exactly what the brand says. It does hydrate you to the gods. It plumps the skin. It feels beautifully soft and nourishing. And if it's summer, I mean, it's freezing cold in winter here in the UK at the moment, but in summer, this is going to be a perfect product to keep in the fridge, to add that instant cooling, that anti-inflammatory effect to start your skincare routine. How I used it is I cleansed the skin. I then went in with a good amount of this delivery essence. You know, be lavish with it. It's an affordable product and it works better if you use a good amount. So really go in with it on the palms, work it together in the palms, and then press it into the skin. This, I think, is going to work far better if you use it on your hands and press it in rather than using it on a cotton round, which will just absorb and waste a lot of the product. Use your hands, which are warm, so they're actually going to help the product get into the skin and start working. Press it in and then continue with your routine as you would. This will work perfectly with every other product in your skincare routine. So it doesn't matter if you're using vitamin C, peptides, retinoids, tretinoin, doesn't matter. Whatever you're using, you can follow on from using this and just know that it's going to work that little bit better, enhancing that penetration rate. Now, a couple of cautions that I always like to throw out so we can be responsible in our use of the skincare. First one is just patch test first. Good practice, a little bit behind the ear, 24 hours before you then apply it to the rest of your skin. That way you can work out whether it's suitable for your individual skin's needs. Make sure you're not allergic to anything. Do that with any product, and this is what I did with this. 24 hours later, I knew it was good to go, and then I could use it as normal. Also, because it's increasing the penetration rate of your skincare, just be mindful that if you're using something for the first time, say tretinoin, a high potency retinoid for the first time, maybe you don't want to use this first because it's going to enhance the penetration, so it could increase the sensitivity and the potency of that retinoid. So if you have very sensitive skin, just be mindful that you're going to be getting a little extra action from your actives, and that might not be applicable if you have super sensitive skin or you're new to a particularly high potency active. So I will just call that out. But other than that, it is plain sailing here on out. I think this is a beautiful product to slot into your skincare routine in the place of your existing hydrating toner, get a little extra benefit from the rest of your skincare routine without breaking the bank. I'm going to continue to use it. I think it's something different, it's something enjoyable, and whilst, as I said earlier in the video, this might not get all the hype that some of the other Ordinary launches get because it's not the most glamorous looking or the sexy sounding product, I think for us hardcore skincare aficionados that know exactly what we're doing in terms of getting the most from our routine, this is going to work out to be one of the best investments you make. So let me know. That's my thoughts, feelings, opinions. What are yours? Are you going to buy this, try it, give it a go? Sound off in the comments section below. Hopefully this will just help you when you hear all the buzz online and some of that sponsored content around this product. You'll be able to know that here on Mad About Skin, you'll always get an unbiased, independent opinion, and hopefully I've been able to share that with you today. Wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and love your skin. Take care. Bye.